Ottawa Capital Group here with another fantastic listing. This one sits in South Village, backs onto a man-made lake and is loaded to the nines. Come on in and have a look.
Welcome inside. This stunning high ranch has 12-foot vaulted ceilings and the ideal open concept layout, perfect for entertaining. Have a look at this gorgeous gourmet kitchen. With stainless steel appliances, granite countertops, Gordon Ramsay would love to cook in this kitchen.
The main level of this home features 3 great-sized bedrooms, including this unbelievable master retreat. The basement in this home is gorgeous and versatile. Its features allow it to be perfect for entertaining or used as an in-law suite. But the best part is it walks out onto this serene lakeside backyard.
Well, that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed the tour. For more information on this listing or any others like it, go to our website at ottawacapitalgroup.com or call the number on the screen. See you next time.